Markets are gearing up for the Federal Reserve decision due out in a little more than about 2 hours and 20 minutes from now.
That's right. Let's go to Sandra Smith with the trade today. She's at the CME in Chicago.
Yeah, the trade going down down here is remarkable right now, Connell and Dagan, because the stock market pretty much flat while most commodities are higher. We're looking at gold up nearly 20 bucks on this session. You've got the VIX that's just slightly higher but still historically low around 13. Marco Bertuglia joins me now from Infinity Brokerage ahead of the Fed's announcement this afternoon. Marco, you funds for some larger clients internationally and here at home. What do you think? We know that the Fed may do what everybody's expecting this afternoon, but what do you think the Fed should do this afternoon?
Well, right now it's clear that they need to find an exit strategy from the QE. They made that very clear last meeting when they announced a shift in policy. Right now they need really to target inflation and be careful what's going to happen with all the liquidity put in the market.
Markets don't seem to be reacting to these horrible economic numbers like the GDP one out this morning. How do you expect markets to react to the Fed this afternoon?
Well, I think short term, actually, the expectation would be negative. I think long term, there's still room for growth, especially because countries around the world are growing at 6-8% GDP, and they're all investing their liquidity here in the United States. So, but I think the expectation would be a negative short term for equities. The Fed outlook would probably be conservative.
All right, Fed outlook to be conservative. Marco Bertuglia of Infinity Brokerage. But guys, there is somewhat of an expectation for a short-term sell-off following the Fed's announcement this afternoon. We shall see. The markets certainly are gearing up down here. Back to you.
Thank you, Sandra Smith.